We're going to do a normal takeoff. We'll come back again, do touch and go. Come back again, and then probably get off the ramp and then go up again. How you feeling? Another. Better not sleep here. If you make any attempt of sleeping, I will shake the airplane.
Hey.
What is that? We're staying in the pattern, so we're just going to be here. So it'll be
circle. Hey.
A lot of turns, but don't worry about it. It's normal. Before takeoff checklist. Parking brake is set. Controls. Good. Circuit breakers. Nothing popped here. I will enunciate the panel. Peter tube as required. We don't need that. Doors and seat belts. You have your seat belt on. Everything. Good. Parking brakes release, and we're going to the runway. We start with normal takeoff. All right. We're good, and let's go. Speed of life, 50, and rotate.
Ooh.
Positive rate. You're up.
1119er Alpha. This is setting up for immediate departure, runway 14, Montgomery.
Time check, everything looks good. And Famano will be picking up a little bit later. So.
Traffic experimental 1119er Alpha is departing runway 14, Montgomery.
It's a beautiful morning so far. DC.
Yeah.
$1,000 feet, climb check, flaps up. Montgomery traffic, Cessna 505 Lima Papa, turning crosswind, Montgomery.
From traffic, 705 Romeo Juliet, number 2, downwind for 22.
Alright, look at the runway. Montgomery traffic, Cessna 505 Lima Papa, turning downwind for runway 14, Montgomery.
Yeah, it's a rental plane, I'll let you guys know. Thank you. Okay.
And it's boot. Alright, slow down a little bit. So, we do our gums check. Undercarriage, good. Mixture, full rich. Lights, it's all on. Seat belts, you have it, everything good. Mixture back to prop, and we're just good for landing. do a touch and go once we so we'll do a touch and go once we get down there.
I hear you.
We will do a touch and go when we get down there.
Touch and go.
Alright. Beam the numbers. The 1500. Below 100. 10.
Montgomery County Commander 16 Julia, taking runway 14 for departure to the northeast, Montgomery County.
And we are crabbing. Speed of life, come up and rotate. Positive rate, they're up. Yeah, the run then was not good.
The north, when you bring for the 45 for runway 14.
Montgomery traffic, Cessna 505 Lima Papa, crosswind runway 14 Montgomery. Alright, drums check, undercarriage, mixture full rich. Lights are on, seatbelt is on, and props push forward, and we're good to go. Let's put in our base here. Box 20. Traffic, 6 o'clock. OBDHE. That's what he's saying. Yeah, the wind is blowing towards way, so you see how we're crabbing there. Montgomery traffic, Cessna 505 Lima Papa, turning final for runway 14 Montgomery.
Papa is a full stop?
Full stop, yeah, 505 Lima Papa. So DH in the north, yeah.
Victor Mike, doing the right 360, right on the downwind with the base for the separation.
We're good.
Yeah.
Montgomery traffic, Cessna 505 Lima Papa, clear runway 14 Montgomery. Check the weather,
Dew point 12 Celsius, altimeter 3010. Remarks?
SFRA rules are in effect. Do not squawk 1200 anytime. Fly over Davis Airfield at 2,000 feet or greater. Runway 32 is right-hand pattern. Runway 14 is preferred on calm wind days. Deer and birds have been seen on the runway.
Montgomery County Airport.
The wind is
Automated
50.
weather
Oh,
observation.
Yeah.
1201 Zulu. Wind 310 at 03. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear.
Short field takeoff is one of those takeoff if you have a very short runway
Okay.
and you need to take off very fast so you don't run into the trees. Alright, what we do is we step on and then we go to full power. Up says 20. Alright, and go. Alright. So we're taking off with flaps so the plane will get off a little bit quicker. Alright. And rotate. And then we're gonna shoot up. Shoot up. Alright. We're clear. And flaps up. Now we're gaining speed.
Thank you very much. Cat 4529 will plan on entering a left downwind for 4. Culpeper.
Now we come back to normal climb. So it was a little bit pitch.
Yeah.
Montgomery traffic, Cessna 505 Lima Power per turning crosswind runway 14 Montgomery. Alright, turn crosswind. This is why you need sunglasses.
Yeah, I can see. Oh, sure.
No, I'm okay. Alright. Montgomery traffic, Cessna 505 Lima Papa, turning downwind for runway 14 Montgomery. Oops. Alright. What's that? 8, right?
Yeah.
Gonna do a soft field takeoff. All that is, and they say you're taking off on like some sort of ice, right? The plane will get off from the ground, but it's not ready to go up yet. So we'll get off from the ground and hang there, build up some speed and go up. So if you're like grass area where are formerly a marine and things like that, now you don't want the plane to be stuck. My
1-4, depending on the foot.
favorite aircraft there. That's now 182, the Skyline.
Price na yet.
What's it?
Okay. Right. The same that one no, Cessna whatever no.
No, it's much more expensive. And it's harder to find too because nobody gives them up.
Whiskey Charlie is departing the pattern to the southeast.
It's no students use.
It has a V6. It's like the Infinite, the Toyota Avalon, and this is Camry.
Have you used
Yeah.
for the
It's
training?
the high performance training.
Oh, okay.
That's the plane. Much more powerful. And it can carry more people instead of this like full adult. That it can take real full adults. Okay, and we're gonna put this flaps 10 degrees also. But the idea is we'll keep the plane like the nose of the aircraft high.
Cherokee 49 Whiskey Foxtrot is traffic.
High. Rebecca more high.
No, this is like you take off and you hover around it on top of the runway, and then you gain speed, and then you go up. All right, we're clear. All right, so the idea is you go slowly. You're from ice, so you go slowly and very wide. Okay. Oh, on ice and full power. All right. Okay. And then we hold it here. We're not ready to go up here. Now ready to go up. And now we go.
I see.
So the idea is the ground is bad. So you want to get off from the ground fast enough.
Okay.
But you don't have enough airspeed to keep you going. Flaps up. So I just dropped the flaps, so now we go a little faster.
Traffic 400 Golf Echo, turning crosswind 36 freeway.
Alright. 1,000 feet, climb check. Flaps up.
Turning crosswind, runway
I just
14.
lost my GPS and communication. Oh, lost GPS. No, it will restart itself. This is the first time it's happened to me actually.
Eight 0484, good turning downwind, runway 14.
Alright, 1500.
05 Lima Papa and 484, can you switch the pattern to 14?
484, we'll do a 180 degree, switch to 32.
I'm on final for 14 and then we'll switch to 32. That's why. That is why. Because we're landing with the wind behind us. I expected the winds to change at some point.
So we take off now, okay. I'm busy. Good job.
Montgomery traffic 80484 is now downwind for runway 32.
GPS and keep cutting out. I'll put it in the squawk. Up. I've lost communication. I've lost communication. Because when that goes
I thought
down,
you should have called here.
Yeah?
Call coming in. Right?
No, we're good.
That.
The wind has changed.
Okay.
So they want to now start going
Montgomery traffic 804
from
turning base runway 32.
from 32 instead of 14. Look at the windsocks.
Yeah.
We're done, so